Hello my olives, welcome back to another vlog. I just randomly thought I would vlog my day. I'm not doing anything exciting, but I like sharing my life with you guys, and a lot of people ask for daily vlogs, and even some of my friends are like, do more daily vlogs, so here we are. I went to the gym this morning. It's Monday, so I tend to feel more motivated to go to the gym on Monday, and I'm like, yeah, I'll go every day this week, but I never do. Like last week I did like day on Monday and then I didn't go to the gym for the rest of the week. But this week I'm gonna try go at least 4 times. I'll go Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I don't have any shoots or anything on as of yet, so that will keep me kind of motivated, because if I have something on like a shoot later in the day, I'm like, oh, I don't want to go to the gym and make myself tired for the shoot. Excuses, excuses. Everyone in Sydney is just waiting for the weather to get warmer, and because summer's coming up and I'm gonna be in my bikini a lot, that's kind of my motivation right now. I want to be nice and toned. This is the protein. I don't like protein. Like, it doesn't taste bad, but I just don't like protein shakes. But this is the one I drink. It's the Women's Best Complex Weight Gainer, because I do find it hard to gain actual muscle weight because I have a fast metabolism and I'm also not a big eater. And yeah, if you want to gain lots of muscle, you have to eat a lot. So that's the challenge for me. But yes, I'm just sitting in my office and I have to submit something for uni. So I'll do that and I'll get back to you when I have lunch. And then I plan to do some content. So a lot of you ask about how I like my photos and how I take photos, so I'll vlog that for you. I need to have a shower, but I don't think I will wash my hair because I think the curls have potential. But I'll show you how I refresh them. I got some new curl products, so I'll show you guys that. But yeah, I feel gross. I need to have a shower and do skincare and stuff. Also, before I go, this is my phone. I have the iPhone 8 and I ordered the new iPhone Pro Max, and I haven't seen anyone with the Max yet, obviously because it's not out yet, but let me know if you want me to do like an unboxing video, because I like watching those. They're really satisfying. It's gonna be like an iPad. It's gonna be massive. It's the biggest one they've ever made. So excited. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish this drink and then finish that uni work. That's basically the last uni work I have to do ever. I've been at uni for 4 years and this is it. I haven't really shown my office space. It's a bit messy, but it's just a nice creative arty space. There's like a piano behind me, and that's where we do all our paintings. So there's like an easel and paints, and it's also very open and green. So I love this space. Anyway, I'll talk to you soon. Alright, sorry if you can hear the washing machine in the background, it's very loud, but I had a shower and then I had lunch. I had leftover chili con carne. Is that how you say it? It's like a spicy meat dish with beans and rice and avocado, so I felt like that was a good post-gym meal. Sorry, the washing machine is so loud. I'm just going to quickly do some skincare and then I'll show you how I refresh my curls. My face is already clean from the shower, so I'm going to go in with this Asano Rose Hip Mist Toner. It smells so good. Right, so I've been using this quite a lot. It's the Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream, so I use that as a moisturizer. And then I like to use the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream as well. Alright, so now I feel nice and refreshed. My skin hasn't been that great lately. As you can see, I just have a lot of spots and texture in this area. And I've also had like 3 pimples in this eye. There's one there and then there's one in my eyebrow, which is fun. But yeah, I don't know what's been causing the pimples. I mean, I don't stress about it too much. It's probably a mixture of things, hormones and what I've been eating. But yeah, I feel much better putting those products on my face. So to refresh my curls, I wet them quite a bit. So I do that before I do my makeup. So then by the time I've finished my makeup, my hair's a bit more dry. And sometimes I use a diffuser as well. So I just have water in this Mario Badescu bottle. It's just plain water. I'm just gonna dampen my hair. I did a mask yesterday for like 5 hours, but it didn't really work out because I should have kept my shower cap on, but I took it off because I had guests over. So I had the mask on and my hair just kind of dried, and I don't know, it didn't work. So I'm gonna have to do another deep condition day and I'll try a different mask. I used the Briogeo superfood mask, which is amazing usually, but I think the way I applied it and left it on just didn't work. Right, so it's nice and damp and I'm just gonna scrunch it up. revive the curls. I just didn't want to wash it again because I've been washing it like every day, and I washed it yesterday. I actually got this in the mail today. It was really expensive, and I'm pretty sure it's just like coconut and water, but it's this organic Suku Hydrate Organic Hair Mist for curls. It says refresh, nourish and repair. This is the first time me trying it, but I feel like this is a good thing for refreshing. I ran out of my John Frieda refresh spray, so I was like, I'll try some different brands and get a new spray. As you can see, the curls are already looking like more defined and it's giving me more volume. I'm going to try put a bit of this in. It's the Curl Boss Coconut Curling Gel from Aunt Jackie's. A hairstylist used these on my hair at a shoot, as well as this spray, which I'll show you next. So I bought them after I worked with her because my curls looked really like shiny and good when she used them. So wait, before I put that gel on, I'll spray. I know I've done like 2 sprays already, but I just want to use a bit of this because I haven't tried it. It smells really good. It's from Mixed Chicks. It's the leave-in spray curl refresher, which is what I need. So spray a bit. It smells really good. It smells fruity. Okay, let's just put a tiny light coat of this gel. Hopefully it doesn't weigh my hair down, but I'm gonna rub it in so it's just nice and thin. Try to get rid of that frizz at the top and then scrunch. I washed all my makeup brushes and sponges the other day. They should be dry by now. Well, they're still a bit wet, but does anyone know how to get the actual makeup stains out? Like, this is clean, but I don't know how to get the actual like foundation stains out. I know I can just Google it, but if you have any tips on what I should actually wash them with, let me know. All right, so I'm gonna let my hair sit and dry while I do my makeup. I'm getting ready to do content. I'll also go through some things that I've gotten recently in the mail, so let's do it. All right, I'm gonna do my makeup now. I'll probably just time lapse through it. I do have a go-to makeup video up on my channel if you want to check that out. If anyone can suggest a really good primer that like makes your skin look really smooth and glowy, please let me know because I'm on the lookout for a new primer. I've only got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter one, which is not very hydrating, so I want one that's super hydrating and makes me look seamless and flawless. I've been using the Fenty Beauty foundations as well, and I think I'm going to go back onto the Hourglass foundation stick. I've run out. I have this old one, so I'm going to test what shade I should get. This is the beige, so I might reorder this because it is very seamless and more natural, because I just want something that I can use when I'm not really going out anywhere fancy and I just want to have like more seamless balanced skin, and I feel like this is a good one. Unless you have any other suggestions on like a nice tinted moisturizer or something that's quick to put on and you just can put it on and go out. But yeah, let's get this face covered and take some pics. I also have to clean my room, so I'll time lapse that as well. Excuse the mess in the background. I finished my makeup and then diffused my hair, and it looks pretty good. It's a bit frizzy in some places, but it looks better than before. I'm gonna spray some hairspray. This is the Moroccan Oil Luminous Hairspray. I really like this one. It smells really good. Just a little bit. And scrunch it in. I inhaled too much. If there's one thing you should know about me, I am a messy person, so let's get cleaning. Alright, before we get into photo taking and content work, I'm going to open this parcel that I just got from Curls. You've probably seen me collab with Curls a lot on my platforms. So they've launched a new brand called the Beauticuticals, where beauty and science meet, and they've got the hardest working collection. So I'm excited to try out these new skin products because, as I said, my skin's been a bit weird lately. And the cool thing about this brand is that you can use the products on your skin and your hair, so that's why I'm also excited to try them out. I've got this Skin and Hair Refining Vitamin C Cleanser, a Skin and Hair Triple Threat Cream with bacuchiol, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Then we have an eye, neck and lip cream. And then we've got an eye, neck and lip cream. So I like how all of these work and function for different parts of your body. I'm working with GHD this month as well, and they sent me this Final Fix hairspray, this curl hold spray, which I've already used a few times. I really like it. And we've got a advanced split end therapy cream. That looks cool. I haven't tried this yet. And then the Final Shine spray I'm a big fan of. I bought this myself last month and I ran out of it pretty quickly, but it's really nice to put on your curls to add some shine and definition. I'll put some now. It's like a bit of a light oil mist, so if you like oils for your hair, I recommend. I also got sent the GHD hairdryer with a diffuser attachment, so I'm excited to try that out, and I'll let you guys know what I think of that one. Because as you know, GHD is quite a high-end brand, so I have high expectations for that hairdryer. I bought some stuff from Dish and it came today. I got this linen set, so it's these linen shorts and it's like a nice cream colour, and then this cute top. I haven't tried it on yet, but I just thought that was a really cute set for summer. I know I don't need any more clothes, but it's just, that's just what I do. I think this dress is so pretty. It's a maxi dress, it's loose, and you can undo as many buttons as you like, and it's got that collar thing. I love collars at the moment. Yeah, it's a nice material. It's kind of got puffy cuffed sleeves, so I'm excited to try this on. Oh, just pushed my bed back. But yeah, I think that's nice for like family events. If you want to dress a bit more modestly as well, I think this is a nice style to have. And then Misguided sent me some pieces. I've got this like sexy cutout mini dress. It's hard to see, but it's like got a cutout here in the middle. I haven't tried these on either, but I think I will take photos today in some of these because I feel like you guys tend to like when I do more dressy outfits. My Instagram posts with dressy formal outfits tend to do a lot better than casual outfits, but let me know what you prefer. I just think on Instagram a lot of you like more bougie kind of dressed up outfits. I'm going to shoot some of those today. This halter neck dress looks really cute and sexy. It's got a low tie back and then it's that halter neck ring detail. So yeah, I'll definitely take a photo on this if it fits, and you shall see what it looks like on. I don't know if this dress will fit, but it's kind of a bandage style dress, and it's also got cutouts on each side of the waist. But I like this colour. It's very warm and sophisticated. Yeah, it's that stretchy bandage material, so I'll show you what that looks like on. This knit set is from Glassons. I haven't tried it on yet, but it's this really nice orange colour and this knit material. And then that top came with this matching knit skirt. So I think I'll take a photo of this outfit as well. When I shot with Shea last week and the week before, they had all these Alias May shoes, and I'm now obsessed with this brand. They have the cutest, nicest shoes. So I've been looking for sandals for summer, and I bought these off the Iconic, and I just think they're so pretty. I love the color of them. I feel like they'll go with so many things. I love sandals that you can just slide on and you don't have to tie them up or strap them on. They just slide on nice and easily, but they kind of make an outfit look really cute and trendy. They all go nice with the pieces I bought from Dish. Vibe! Alright, so I've got the bandage dress on, and this is what it looks like. I think it was actually made for taller girls, like it was in the tall section of the website, but this was there was no petite version, so I just got it. So you can't really see the gaps as much. I think if I had a longer torso you could see it, but it's actually really flattering. It fits perfectly. It sucks everything in. The colour is very close to like my skin colour, so it kind of looks like I'm not wearing a dress sometimes, and it's got zips along the back. Pretty cute. So this is my lighting setup. I have my ring light on the right side and then my makeup mirror on, so excuse all that mess. But yeah, that's how I get my good lighting, and I also open my blinds for extra natural light to come through on the background. I'm gonna have a break now and I'll get back to you soon. I want to do another giveaway with you guys because I have all this stuff that I'm not going to use, and it's a lot of beauty stuff, skincare, and I think there's some Beauticuticals hair stuff as well. We've got a Mecca Max Party Tricks full face palette, some eyeshadows, another palette. I think this is mascara, Beauticuticals. I have a couple of these already, so I've got some skincare stuff. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff that I want to give back to you guys and do a fun maybe Christmas giveaway, but stay tuned for that. Hey Fiona! She always runs away from me, but she like wants me to chase her. Oh, she's going toilet. So I just had to run some errands. I had some parcels to take to the post office, and then I also picked up something from my PO box. Let's open it. And then after the post office, I went and got KFC because I was hungry. And I know that doesn't make sense, eating KFC when I'm trying to be fit and healthy. I was just craving it. I just felt really hungry, like I needed a second lunch. And that always happens when I go hard at the gym. I was showing you my new hairsprays for refreshing curls earlier today, and then they sent me this BB curl reactivator. So I've got another refreshing spray, so that's very kind of them to send me that. And then also moisturizing shampoo and 3-in-1 conditioner. These are gonna go in my shower. I can't wait to try them. Thank you, BB curl. Also, as a snack, I've put it on my vlog before, but I had rice cakes with cottage cheese on them, and I always eat that on leg days because brown rice is really good for muscle growth, and also cottage cheese has a lot of protein. So yeah, I've eaten a good amount, I think. And then I'll eat a lot at dinner as well. Sometimes I have a protein shake after dinner just to like give my body that extra boost of protein right before I sleep. So yeah, I'm trying to go on a calorie, what's the word? I'm just trying to eat a lot of calories basically. Let me know if you like these kind of vlogs. It was just a very normal day at home, and because there still is COVID going on, I don't really leave the house too often. The main place that I go to during the week is just Fabian's house. But I've got to go finish a uni thing, and then that's all I have to do for uni. I can't believe I'm done. But yeah, I want to keep this vlogging thing up, but first let me know if you guys like it. I will film an updated curly hair routine soon because I know all the ones I've done was kind of last year, and when people ask me questions on Instagram I kind of send them links to all those videos, but I think I should update them because my hair has changed and it's grown and I've grown. So yeah, I'll get to that soon. Okay, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!